In this video, we will show you how to place an order at Sazen Tea. First, select the items you want to buy and put them in your cart. For example, start with a delicious matcha. Once you have decided on a matcha blend, open the product page, select the size you want, and click Add to Cart. Now, let's continue with adding a chasen. Let's go for a great loose tea next. For example, a nice sencha. And finally, a useful teapot to brew the sencha with. You can check out the pictures and, if available, choose a color. Once you have everything you want in your cart, you can go ahead and select your country and preferred delivery service. On this page, you can also see the extra delivery options. Some might be recommended based on the selected country, for example, DDP and direct signature for the US. Below, you can see the courier service's delivery time and the expected date when the package can be sent from Japan. This is based on the waiting time of the items in your cart. You can also use Sazen reward points here if you are logged in and have points from past orders. Just type in the amount of points you wish to use and click Redeem. You can also redeem coupon codes here. When done, click the Checkout button or PayPal Checkout for express payment. Now you are on the checkout page. Here you have to provide shipping and billing details. Add the name, country, city, zip code, street address, other details if needed, and phone number. You can add a comment for us too. Now select the payment method, then double-check the shipping options and a list of products. Finally, click on Confirm Payment. This will take you to the payment service provider's secure payment page, where you can follow their instructions. Once the payment is made, you will be redirected to the order confirmation page. At the same time, you will receive a confirmation email to the email address you provided. On this page, double-check the expected posting date, the order number, and the shipping address. If any of the details are wrong, or you want to make any modifications to the order, you can request a change within 12 hours. Congratulations! You placed an order. Now all that is left to do is wait for your items to arrive and enjoy wonderful tea times.